vya sound system eriogiria enigorire ligi ya kigima erio lichunjukire ligukwana nechinguru nabo igori kirabantabange nigobo bwata chi DJ Janjire chi MC nabo igo track nabo kujitumika asobokorera live performance nigo tokurwa obokoreri wito Chinsa na bono Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret amoneji county chonsi emergency ya Kenya street ya goteka babuna street ndionsi chingaki obunjeli bwago ne biasara byakinirwe aka esimu gwetera namba 0704765412 nyora chitrake chika eldio oikera bantabange amasomo nanine obumanye nabuborairire omwana okogendera asamatuko ali busio ime aye omwibuli kwabire gukora Yesukuru asoraire omwana anyorera obumanye nanene bw'ekikosi ky'amaboko muretekero ka Technical Training Institute erio aibundusa chikosi igaiga ntubwata chikosi bunabono eria ya Building and Civil Engineering kubundisa tulebwego ekosi ya Electrical and Electronics Engineering ase ekosi ya Agriculture and Environment Studies ase ekosi ya Applied Science Department ntubwata Science Laboratory Technician Level 5 na Level 6 ase ekosi ya Computing and Informatics Department ntubwata ekosi ya ICT Technician Level 5 na Level 6 Getembe Lab asensema ya Community and Online Working imiheskuru yigaya keti nigotobwate a modern library eyubwate bintu byonsi ibiraga nibigotumika ali nayo kubundisa tule ekosi ya Version Design asetobwate chimashini chekerero inkwegeli abale boigo Business Studies na Entrepreneurship inkwegeli bale Food Production yani Cookery na boigo Food and Beverage Production ase Chinsa cha Cosmetology nigotokwegeli ya Beauty Therapy miranga ase Beauty Therapy nigo okwenyorera obumanyi bwekerero unabono ya dressing pedicure manicure egati bumanyi bunde obunge boigonto bwate kosi ya Mechanical and Automotive Engineering agirira muretu mwana anyorera obumanyi bwiga nabono nigo intake y'umutinyu gatano egenderete agirira eskure yigani yerekiro mite ya mune muskuru asomo chokeroka na wogwaka esimu gwetera namba 0726588558 gose 0708330000 asigo ayire na konyorera obumanye liriwebekeri bagali lya asense yiga yokwerwanirira
Karibu naende homo nchomo ligirilia yo lenge homo rakonyibo murayibense homo skiriga tigashawa nigo hamo mochire homo likibikyombe kyabakolemeremo kotu Francis Atoli asikira batawuna nira atali kobagerera aba akolemeremo ukwana chingeke echo nigo gashagwa tebirubuna nigo chingeke chekire wa Francis Atoli kuruo abisa sokurulibaga gochi hasawara ibande go chorwa sokwane kibuna bachi kwegerera abakolemeremo haigeme igenze.
People entrusted to speak for the Kenyan workers have abandoned them. The Atolis of this world are a disgrace to the Kenyan worker. I cannot understand how workers every year, every time there is an election for Kotu, they go and vote back this Muse. I can't understand. And he's just after his own stomach. I remember when we came into office with William Ruto in 2022, this Atoli had been on record campaigning for Azimio. and actually advising William Ruto to look for a tree in Sugoi where he'll hang himself because he'll lose. I couldn't believe it when I found him in State House when we went in. And he was there laughing and dancing on the corridor. He was brought by Musalia and Wetangula to see William Ruto. And I asked William Ruto, how come Atwali is here? I thought this man was saying that you should look for a tree in your compound to hang because you cannot be president. He laughed sheepishly and told me, Rigathi, you don't seem to understand this country. Every man has a price. He's a Atwali. He's a useless fellow. He just wants money. That's why he's here. And it has happened. He has abandoned the workers. He is now the lead praise singer of the William Ruto praise and worship team. He is the lead soloist. He sings with both bass and soprano. To praise a man who has made the lives of workers hell. To sing praises to a man who has impoverished Kenyan workers. To affirm a man who have made workers beggars in their own country. The workers of Kenya, since you seem to be unable to remove this man, my proposal to Kenyan workers is
Murabenso muske William Ruto nigaterwa n'ensi ya Kenya igendete kubaterana n'ensi ya Tanzania hanena sogwikirani obokorari borobuya hasi kisekta ukwana hime yenseyo murabense nigaterwa na ensi ya Kenya ikikogandira kubaterana ne serikali ya Tanzania asogokini birengo by'ubunjiriya.
We want to recalibrate our relationship. We want to re-engineer our engagement because, as has been said here, Kenyans are not enemies of Tanzanians, and Tanzanians are not enemies of Kenyans. Our enemy is poverty, unemployment, and lack of development. And we can confront this enemy together. We will succeed together. The sooner and the faster we understand that, the better for all of us, and the sooner we find the solution. Look at what has happened in just 2 years. We have investors taking up opportunity in Kenya to the tune of $300 million in just 2 years. And they are not just taking up opportunity in Kenya. They are using government, Kenyan financial institutions to acquire those businesses. That is how collaboration works. Instead of complaining, look for the opportunity and take it up.
Ekeonga obunjiriya ababwatani nigo besokirya sokwene kibuna bachiye kumurwanirira abunjiriya abakabake gose okase asokwene kibuna ngo kibale gwikirania obukoreri bwabo mu chandonde bwensi uteyo igo bane kiribuna bachikogendera gosangirira ebirengereri by'abananchi igoro yeng'aniyo.
Designate for them in particular days that they can be able to sell their commodities and go home happy people. Tunataka watoto wao pia wafurahi wakijua wazazi wetu wanafanya kazi na hii kazi inatambuliwa na iko kwa katiba. And others who can be more innovative to come in this industry and work. We want clear demarcation. Ule ako na duka pale. Asiseme ye ni hoka. Hoka wacha tujue ni kina nani na wako wapi na tukue na regulations mzuri. Zile zitawa protect.
We are committed to incorporate the views of the members of public which we feel that will add value to the bill. Of course, not every other view that is usually considered. That is true. But we've taken note of all the views that have been taken. But I believe out of the interaction and the public participation we've had at Machakos, we've gotten very, very many useful views to improve on the bill. And we can assure the public that we'll be able to incorporate those bills that will add value to the law.
Na gwikira gabo monchumo rigirira no gwikira mwelio wa mangana maya Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere chabontuko kulende chikoraga Chinsenya ningirana nkumanya senchira yo gwikira no itadani Cyrus Nyakundi asense muyimanyiryo ni gare ngwiri sone makulina gusabira twarubuligirira urubuya.
Yebuna mwenyewe chega ne machine tokoroka E5 ne machine ngia sana akero bwate problem ya magoro me pia magoro abimbete no gocha kwa bekera magoro oga kera magoro ko betu bindu korunse magoro go sangita bwate nguru wasore gutwara umuchando bwa magoro machine na bokorarira ega asene kabisa gokora no koirania amagoro aitare tware chinguru okobimba koli kware ngo korworo kisindani giri cyare okobeta chiruwaroro nakobwa mone machine yenengi yere asabantu bari bwate mechando ya nervous system gose nervous system disorder ekyagere kero bwato muchando buna bono ko nyegari kwa makoko nabantu bari bakonyegari kwa makoko ega makoko atabwa chinguru makoko abwata magandi ebinabyo okobwata kwa bwata ega erinde yagokonya kumusemekya ekeremekia ebwate mechando gokonyegari kwa makoko tabwa chinguru nakobwa mono ekero wati wasa makoko ne kinde nkira kingi ya sana bantu baitongo sangi bari nangwati bari ko rukiteye goroga onte bintina ona boko bekeru gyako geko ko bwata ega kwa bekeru gyako bwata ega kero gyako bwatira ega igendo yekungusana ko ina ni mubero wenda koba ni mikito ya mubere nakobwa mono ko ene kyenga at least bo cha bonde bwense boleme ya manyinga warurororo ikaro bwato muchando boko bimba kweriru na na boko cho kwa bekeru gya bwataga nende kende kya bwataga irindi gya chikungusobo cha boli borororo watu ko watu wasaliru wasange mechande yari kero bwate mechande muno yeme kibono kurumagega aboko cho kwa bekaiga kwa bekeruga ya bwata kuruga ne kwa bekeruga ya bwata kuruga kero ya kubwatira onsiga ya ngusemekeria irinde watu ara magoro chinguru abantu baminto bari bwate mechando ya magoro bwate mechando ya magoko mechando mono stroke ni ncho monyoro bwene weterese machine yega ya A5 bono ene machine yendengi ya sana ese machine yo mogongo ekero kurigeria abantu baito terigento kende kanga ga karo mogongo ito ekinacho ogosangya togochiro carolas ega siero le yebuna ya rosu kurenseri ya South Korea no ko ene kyanga ekero mogongo obwato mochando ese machine ito ne bwate remote to go seteriga ekero tu ago seteri machine yeka tu anya seteri ya so agutara yo Kenya monta yo konyekuna bone kere gutara ega tegende kuri koirania no koirania nga na kyo mogongo obwene tekoba nakubwa mono ekere bigoti bya bibwate mechando ekina kigendo ekorosi ocho mutugora yarosiga mari koigora oroche negendete gutira bunerega negasio korosia omochando bwegete kyo mogongo nakubwa mono nkuranire bakamate erinde chikorosi chinengo chie bacho chirana buya magoka atware chinguruga igaso gwatigwa na be machine yitego korega siga o motega rito Getembe TV amo na Getembe Radio kyagara yagokonya na aye buno kero gwajire sina gitari rito mobero ira na kobabuya
nekene ina gitari ya Nuga Best nero yuka ebwate okubwa ukurubu gwenya wetere chimashini chekerero kurwa sinseri ya South Korea niko bagotoka imeyo mu cy'ubusungu asama gacho ahuru tawa sirirongo rya kabiri eyibiranye n'ebengi ya Kenya Women batari rero gose bakirisi migwetera se kinamba cyabo 0784 955 717 gose 0705 86 0053 Nuga Best kotanga mbuya kugwa kugwenia. Ne nubatakorera kondi gwensi ebenkulie kwe mikutano ukorera kugukwa kulie gukwinyuria gusemera igende yonsi oraganye erariwe mono Getembe FM
your station
nero iridyuka eyubwate sigine ntindi na bwigo ensera kirege tangaza munintwe asirigurira mabuko twakirisi migwetera se namba 0741 499726 Getembe FM asa matangazo ana olegene. Usi bono na bukwegokia aso gusonja etibi ya wanje tia Getembe Television Network wetera zuku satellite channel number 038 egoki nimrulu ao ya Getembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuli mienzi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania Uganda Malawi wikanonya Zambia egulire edekoda ya zuku chinga kichiga chimereka je Christmas amono chingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemrulu yetu ao inyuranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase zuku satellite channel number 038 Getembe Television Network Ekeonga Kiamomogusi